Yo, what is good? Oh, look at the Z. The Z looking fresh. Sheesh. About to take off the manifold in the Z. We already started. We jacked it up. We bought some new jacks today. The jacks are kind of cool. They're pretty cheap, like $30 jacks. So it was like 60 in total for both. You feel me? On the turbocharged Z. This is the Turbonetics kit. Y'all were wondering. All right, boys. So low key, I was about to take off the whole manifold because I thought it was a manifold, but I was fucking with it a little bit. And I was moving it, and I disconnected this, and I started moving it, and it was moving freely. And I didn't even loosen that bolt up there for that. So it's that right there. So we have to get to that somehow. That's the hard part. I don't know how to get to that. Yo, good morning. Back with the Z. The mic doesn't work, so we're gonna have the shitty mic right now. I'm gonna see if the turbo is blown, because it might be blown. So we're just gonna take it off the air intake and just see if it spins. After that, I found another pipe. Let me see if I can see. This bumper's off. You can probably see it. You can't see it. It's back there though. There's a pipe back there that I seen. There's a fat leak, so we're gonna take that off, get it welded. Hopefully by tomorrow we should have that welded, put it back on, and see what's up. So yeah, boys. But we're gonna see if the turbo's blown, because it's still like, I just drove it just to test it out to see, because that one leak that we found kind of fixed a little bit, like it's not running as rough, but we're gonna try to fix that leak and see. It kind of goes in limp mode, to be honest, so we're gonna see what happens when we fix that pipe. We're also gonna just test the turbo real quick. But yeah, it only goes in limp mode when we're in boost, so might have a blown turbo. We're going to take this thing on off, just loosen it. Yeah, try to fish this out. Get the air filter out. Ooh, bum 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 bum. Get it off and get it back on. There we go. We can see the Terpski. Shouldn't look too bad. We're gonna start it up and we're gonna see. Honestly, the GoPro right here for the startup. Oh, sheesh, man. Put everything back. Looks like the Terpski still works though. All right, my boys. So we just put a glove on this because I want to replace the filter while I'm at it. Check for leaks a little bit more. It looks good. The turbo looks good. We put the turbo back on. I'm gonna try to install as much as I can, so when I actually get the pipe welded and stuff, I don't have to do too much. Stove filter, shit's dirty. I mean, that's probably doesn't cause any problem. You still got suction and shit, but yeah, I'm about to jack it up and then try and take that pipe off and then probably call it a day. I might put the bumper back on, and yeah. Peep the daily. She's gonna get a little sneak peek. Oh, got her jacked up. Gotta take off the wheel. Kind of scared though. It's not too high, but man, I got these cheap little jacks, man. So I might die. If y'all don't see this video, man, y'all know why. Can't really see it, but there's a pipe down there that had a loose V-band clamp. I fixed that, but wait, no, I'm stupid. Oh, wait, we gotta come in front of the car because the leak is right here. So basically, I thought it was a V-band clamp, so I just did this, and I use this one stuff that like seals the gasket, but it is not the V-band clamp at all. So just gonna try to replace the V-band clamp, but it was actually, if you feel right here, I mean, y'all can't, but there's a little leak right here and it gets through. So there's a little piece of weld, and I think that's just it. So we'll just take this off. We'll get it re-welded. So I think what we have to do is V-band, take it off here. Damn. It actually looks harder than I thought. My boys took the air intake off. Beeped the turbo, rusty as fuck. Got her all gloved up, you know, protection first. You feel me? So this one easy. That one's easy, and that one over there is kind of easy. It's just this one that I'm kind of worried about where the oil line is. Might just be able to get a wrench there, which just might take longer, but it's all good. Yeah, that's basically it. That's the game plan right now. And just to see if we can kind of jank it out. Hopefully we can. I'm trying to get home and eat some spaghetti, bro. No cap. Everywhere is closed, so yeah. All right, my boys. We got the rental in there, but it's kind of on there tight, so we're gonna do some ghetto shit. Gonna put this thing on there, and we're gonna try to turn it. Look at that. Ooh, perfect angle. Damn, look at all that oil. Ooh, man. All right, my boys. So basically, I was kind of being cautious at first, but I just loosened this, moved the line, and then got the thing in there. So we should have that bolt good, and then everything else should just kind of just come off. So it took me a little bit to really figure that out. But yeah, look at that. Look at the sun. The GoPro looks beautiful when you give it some light. Sheesh, man. Turbo out and everything. Sheesh. Oh man, the whole thing taken apart, man. God damn.
Damn! Piece of shit, bro.
Yeah, man. Sheesh. God damn. The whole thing taken apart, man. Sheesh. The boy organized the tools just a little bit. You know, I'm missing some. I'm missing some over there. I know it, definitely. But just want to clean up just a little bit before. But just to explain what we kind of running with is that we need to get a new hose now because the oil line, the oil return was kind of messed up, so we just cut it from the turbo. So we're gonna get that line replaced, and I think that's it. Get that line replaced, probably get some gaskets, and yeah, bro, everything should be installed right. We're gonna install everything that we can for now, and then just do that oil line later. So yeah, so we won't know until it runs, until we get everything that we need. So yeah, we can probably get the oil line tonight, but not really in a rush. Might get this done by maybe next weekend, Saturday, and Z should be running again. Kind of taking our time because honestly, the slower you take it, the less problems you're gonna have. You know, you're gonna try to replace a lot of things, and yeah, man, get a turbo car. They said. So look at this thing. Oh, this thing's heavy. Sheesh. How my boys went the daily with it. Oh, look at the Z. Man, bro. Shit's crazy, man. Is the daily though?
What was the compression like?
40.
Can I get some Gordon?
40?
Yeah.
Gordon knows, nigga.
Yeah, you were like, it's gonna watch it be at 40.
Man.
It was 40.
Show the world, bro. Exposed wires on the mass air.
Oh wait, come on. What is?
Hitting the hood right here.
Where does this go to?
Oh my. Huh? I don't fucking know.
No, the sound? That's the water pump. You ever see the memes?
No.
The memes.
You ever see the memes?
No, I haven't.
where it's like the G35 owner and they start it up and is the water pump.
Are you sure it's the water
It's the sound, right?
It wasn't fucking lying.
Looks weird. I haven't been in this thing in a while, but we do that test drive.